Hello and welcome to my new site, Quadcopter Hubsan. Here I'll be testing the three that I've got at the moment of the version 1, version 2 and version 3. And when the new version comes out, version 4, which has the FPV, first person view, I'll be testing that one as well. So at the moment we're going to do a hover test to see how they compare. So we'll start off with version 1. Also we have the transmitter with the antenna and the one without the antenna. This one comes with number 3. So we'll test this one first. Sorry for the banging. Switch on. We're just going to do a low hover test to see how they compare. It seems a little jumpy, up and down. Trying to keep it over the X. Okay, we're doing the same test with the transmitter without the antenna to see if it makes a difference. Turn on. So number 1 seems a little jumpy if you compare this to the others. It does seem a little better with the one without the antenna. Okay, let's try version 2. Sorry again for the banging because it's going to echo. This one's got rubber feet. It's got lights on either end. They modified if you look at the distance from version 1, it's got a gap. This one hasn't got no gap. Let's see how this compares. Oh, that takes up a lot better. A lot smoother this is. And you can see in flight a lot more control. Let's try the other transmitter. Turn on. A lot better than version 1 this is. Looks nice, hovers really well. Really steady. Okay, we're going to do number 3. The new number 3 has got a built-in camera, again rubber feet and low blades, and also a lot thicker. If we compare this to number 1, you can see the difference. A lot thicker. Where the battery goes, the opening is a lot wider as well compared. They are the same size. The motors are thicker. You can see the motors, how much bigger they are. Let's see how this one flies. Turn on the transmitter with the antenna. straight away you notice with the bigger motors it has more power. It sounds different. Still hovers nice, even with the extra weight. The next video I will be showing the weight differences between all three and battery tests as well to see how long each one hovers with the weight difference. Okay, testing the transmitter without the antenna. Very nice. The bigger motors make all the difference. It looks nice as well. Okay, the other tests that I will be doing is outside flights. Also, all loads of different tests. Each one will be different. Okay, other tests will involve battery tests. How long each one will hover. The new one, number 3, came with a 300 milliamp battery, a 3.7 volts, and the ordinary version 1 and 2 comes with 270 milliamp. There's no difference in size, but there are different milliamps. And I'll also be trying, I brought this one, it's a 3.7 700 milliamp. What I'll probably have to do, because it won't fit inside, it's just slightly bigger, what I'll do, I'll tape it to the bottom to see how long it flies for, comparing that battery. So I'll be doing battery tests on the next video. And I'll also do a camera test. The camera that came with the Hubsan. I also got a keychain camera that I'm videoing this on. I'll be strapping it to each of the Hubsan quadcopters to see which one's the best. Is this one better, or is this better? I've also got a cigarette lighter camera, USB, and this is also a camera, microphone. So I'll be strapping each one of these, testing each one to find out which ones has the best camera. But all this is to come. Hope you enjoyed it so far. Please subscribe.